Hi, I'm Jennifer McKinney, Business Operations Manager here at Apiscore. For years, we've heard from our followers that they would love the opportunity to see Frank, our printer, in person.
Also, some really cool wall samples that help explain how we integrate things like plumbing systems, how we integrate reinforcement, electrical, insulation systems, and even various finishing techniques. These are things like paints, stuccos, tiles, and in our design studio, things like brick veneers. This design studio is really exciting because you'll have the opportunity to design your very own 3D printed home and even order that home right here in our showroom.
We heard you, and we are so excited to welcome you to the world's first showroom for 3D printed homes located in the Avenue Viera.
My name is Zach Kruder. I'm a sales representative here at Apiscore. Go online, sign up for our Apiscore University, learn about Frank and how we are changing the construction industry for the better.
Hi, it's Abigail with Apiscore. Advance your education, learn innovative technology, and enhance your employability. Enroll today at Apiscore University.
Hey everyone, my name is Josh Cardona. I'm the sales representative here at Apiscore. If you guys have any questions in regards to how we're disrupting the construction industry, please give us a call. I'll be more than happy to speak with you. We're looking forward to having you join us.